This is a 1952 Jaguar XK120 Type C, and as you will see, it has had an extensive racing history. Notice how the hood is kept in secure position. And here is its history, quite extensive. Racing in California, Florida, all over the place. It's been restored. And that Type C certainly at least indicates a higher compression ratio than the normal six-cylinder engine would have had. Notice the very plain utilitarian dash. It's made for racing for sure, and the very small windshields. The seats are basically shells, keeping the weight down. Beautiful wheels. Quite a professional restoration. Notice the faired-in headlamps. And the Jaguar insignia above the unique grille there. Jaguar Cars Limited, Coventry. Certainly is a thing of beauty. And of course the roll bar protecting the driver, and it's left-hand drive, of course, being built for America.